Easily map out spreadsheet data with Scribble Maps. With a simple upload of your spreadsheet, watch as it translates into precise markers on your map. Before uploading, ensure your spreadsheet file has clear headers like address, city, and zip or postal code. You can import your data in a few ways. The fastest way is to drag your spreadsheet file directly into the browser. Additionally, at the top of the layer panel, hit the Import Spreadsheet icon. Now you're set to import your data. Copy and paste your data or drag your file into the panel to upload. Verify your columns for accurate mapping. Personalize your visual aids by choosing from a variety of marker styles for your locations. After mapping your data, each point reflects the comprehensive attributes of your spreadsheet. Go beyond basic markers with advanced visualizations. Heat maps display the concentration of your data, revealing patterns and trends. Cold maps highlight areas with minimal data. Proportional maps illustrate data magnitude through symbol size, and contour maps delineate areas of equal data value, providing depth to your spatial analysis. Now you're ready to save, share, or export your map to your colleagues and friends. For a detailed and professional mapping experience, trust Scribble Maps. Your mapping journey starts here.